it's Jackie and welcome back for another makeup trend. I had so much fun recreating the latte girl look, and now we have the strawberry girl. Hailey Bieber coined this term, and it's a very natural eye, sun-kissed skin, two-toned pink and red cheek, and then a strawberry lip gloss. So I'll show you how I got the look, but first I wanted to start out with some skincare. I'm working with OSEA, and this is the Seaglow Resurfacing Scrub. I've mentioned before on this channel that I skin pick when I'm stressed, so having a face scrub that cleanses, resurfaces, and restores radiance all in one product is amazing. And with the scrub, you don't want to use it every day, so I use this 2 or 3 times a week. Come on, focus on the scrub. So cool and marshmallowy. I want the skin to turn over, but I don't want to be too harsh. This clears any oils to clarify and minimize the look of pores. And if you're familiar with exfoliators, this product combined a physical and chemical exfoliation to promote cell renewal, which is what I'm looking for. Here is my base. It feels very silky and smooth. Because this is seaweed based, I like to think of it as mermaid skincare. So if you want to check this out, linked in my bio, and for a limited time, you can use my code for a discount. We're gonna go light on foundation with this look, and this is another little hack that I do. This is the Deluxe Face Tan, and it's a tinted self-tanning cream. So I use this sometimes throughout the day, so I'm gonna apply a little bit on, and it just over time evens out my skin, especially when I do use an exfoliator, because I want my body to match. So I just use a little bit. Let's do a very light base. Nudies Matte all over the face, Bondi Bay bronze color. Taking this bronzer through the cheekbones, under the jawline, a little bit down my neck, around the forehead into the hairline, and then through the eyelids. We're looking a little sun-kissed, and I was going to use my Armani concealer. It's one of my all-time favorites, but I can't find it. I just was on a trip. I can't find it. So I'm gonna use these shades here. This is the Makeup Forever HD Sculpt. So I'm gonna brighten up just the high points of my skin with this, and it's so lightweight. Like, you can use the tiniest amount and you'll still get a highlight, but it's almost like no products there. Usually I wear a bit of a heavier foundation base, and then I don't really like cream blushes, but because it's pretty barely there, maybe I will change my mind. So I picked up 2 shades. They're from different brands. This one is Makeup by Mario Soft Pop Blush Stick in Raspberry, and it's super bright, and I definitely want it to pop. And then the Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand in Dream Pop. This is a great red shade. Strawberry. I'm gonna be cute and do hearts for fun. Couldn't get a heart. Let's blend. Cute. That is so blushy. I love those shades together. With really blushy looks like this, I still like to take concealer and make sure that the sides of my nose aren't red, but keep the tip with a tint of pink. I also don't like the blush to go too low on the face, so I'm adding a bit more of this concealer, but again, it's really lightweight, so we're not putting too much product on. Ooh, I have to prep my lips. The go-to, this is by Lawless. I want the skin to look dewy and very natural, but too much glow, you can kind of see pores in the light, so I'm gonna mattify where I have some broken pores and just where I get too much shine. For brows, I rebought this brow product from Winky Lux, the Unibrow, and it is a universal shade. Brushing the brows up. Not gonna overdo them. I did them so dark in the latte makeup look, and I got a comment. What did it say? It was like, those brows are misunderstood, and it kind of made me laugh. But I was going bold like the photo that I was referencing, and this one is not quite as bold, though I do love a bold brow. Setting in place with the e.l.f. Brow Lift. Super similar to the Brow Freeze from Anastasia Beverly Hills, though I don't like this for some reason, so I always go for the e.l.f. one. Putting my spoolie. Nose contour isn't a big part of the look or anything, you can definitely skip it, but I always nose contour. So I'm using a slightly cooler toned bronzer. I'm just gonna give my nose a bit more definition. Taking that cooler bronzer shade and bringing it through my eye. And I bring the bronzer all the way through into a V. Tightlining the lash line. I like to add a little bit in the inner corner as well. Brown liquid liner, we're gonna flick out the outer corner. And I'm gonna try out a new mascara from Benefit. They just came out with a new one. The Fan Fest mascara. Wow, there's one coat. Just coating the outer bottom lash as well. This look is fairly natural, but something I love doing is taking these little lash extensions. They're from Velour, and I really love them. They're super fluttery, and I'm going to apply just one with duo glue to the outer corner. Extends the eye with that brown liner, but still looks pretty barely there. I'm using Spice by Annabelle, and I like my cupid's bow, so I'm gonna just enhance it. I like to slightly overline my top lip. I'll zoom you in. And I want it to be kind of a contour. Still have some of the brightest shade on my brush, and I'm gonna blend in the lip with it. And the deeper shade. Finally, for lips, I was torn between this Winky Lux, wait, look at the packaging. So pretty. Fruity gloss. You could go clear, but I thought it'd be fun to try a red gloss. This one would have been nice, but I chose to go with CoverGirl. I saw they have these clean, fresh, yummy glosses, and I thought that suited this look super well. Huge applicator. Smells amazing. Ooh. I'm gonna go a bit deeper on the lid with brown. I've gone a little bit more bold with this trend because I like each of my videos to have like a distinct look, but you could add a peach highlight. I'm gonna go with pink to keep it berry-like. Using again one of my most used palettes. This is the shade Starlight, and it has the prettiest pink reflect to it. So there is the Strawberry Girl makeup. This sweater is kind of cheesy to be wearing, but you know what? I had it from Wyers. I'll have the brand on screen, but I thought it was so fun. And you could wear pretty much anything with this look. I wanted to show you guys a full outfit that I just got that I thought is really cute. If you wanted to go a little bit more toned down, this top is so cute. It's from the brand LPA, and I'm gonna pair it with this pair of girlfriend jeans that are a little bit distressed. Love the wash of these jeans. And they're super long, and I like to have one pair of jeans that are really long so that I can wear heels with them and it will make me look really tall because I am not tall. Look at these heels. This is also LPA. How cute are these? They're all beaded. The sweater and these shoes are like my funky outfit pieces. Little Harper from Wizards. I really like whimsical kind of cottagecore, but this is a little bit more funky, so I thought they were cute and I wanted to show you guys. But you also could do this whole look with something super romantic, like this dress from Lace Made. You could make it really cottagecore, and I'd probably do, instead of these long pigtail braids, curly bangs like in my latte look with curly buns, kind of like folklore-esque. And maybe instead of this glossy lip, I would go with a matte red. So you can eat some strawberries in this on a farm or on a meadow somewhere. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you do want to check out the amazing OSEA product, I will have it linked, as well as everything else that you've been seeing in this tutorial. And if you want to keep on watching, I just covered some Barbie hairstyles which are really fun, so you can check it out here, and I'll see you in my next one.